Okay, as best as I can, I'm going to try to explain how I calculated the forfeits. Um, a forfeiting team will receive a loss and points equal to half the score of the team that received the fewest points in that round. Their cumulative percentage for the round will be 25%. Okay, so in the case of Team 7 forfeiting in round 3, the lowest score was 217 points. Okay, with that in mind, half of 217 divided by 2, and unfortunately I have to use decimals, is 108.5. And then if you want to get the total amount of points for that round, you would multiply 108.5 times 4. So 434 is the total amount of trial points. And then as far as the winning team goes, so so the cumulative percentage for the forfeiting team would be 25%, and we already mentioned how much the points would be for the team scheduled to go against the forfeiting team. They would receive the win, and they would receive a cumulative percentage for that round determined by their average cumulative percentage of the other rounds. Okay, so in the case of Team 12, their average cumulative percentage was 51.24%. So therefore, I had to take 51.24% and times it by the total amount of points in the round, and then I got 222.38 points for Team 12 in that round. And from there, the math does kind of work out. So we got Team 7 receiving 25%. We got Team 12 maintaining the cumulative percentage that they had from the 3 rounds that they went to trial in. They have a cumulative percentage of 51.24%. Okay, so just looking at it over here, we're looking at round 3. There are the numbers 434 total points in the round for Team 12, and then there's the amount of points that they received in that round. And then looking at Team 12, we kept the cumulative percentage at 51.24%. For the next round, where there was a forfeit, and the only problem with what we're doing is the decimals, but at least we're concentrating on the cumulative percentage, which is that's the crucial thing for the winning team of the forfeit. So for Team 14, their cumulative percentage was 52.12% in the 3 rounds that they competed in. So that would be their cumulative percentage that we're trying to get to. First, I found the the lowest scoring team. In this case, it was 242 points, Team 10. So I divided that by 2 and got 121. So therefore, the forfeiting team, Team 7, would get 121 points for the round. And because that 121 points is 25%, we then multiply 121 by 4 and get 484. So 484 is the total number of points, trial points in that round. Then I multiplied the cumulative percentage that Team 14 was trying to maintain, which is 52.12%. I multiplied that by 484, and I got the number of points that Team 14 should have in that round, which was 252.27. So just taking a look now back at the numbers over here, 52.12% was the number that we wanted to end up with for Team 14. So Team 14 maintains their cumulative percentage, and they got 252.27 points out of the 484 points in that round.